I'm gonna show you the biggest retarded dog you have ever seen. He looks like a bear. Take a look. Angus, wanna go for a walk? Wanna go for a walk? Angus gotta go for a walk. Sit. Hey! Angus, are you retarded? Look how retarded he is. Angus, gotta go for a walk? Angus, come here. Angus, gotta go for a walk? Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, Angus. Come on, Angus. Come on, you big dragon. Come on, Angus. Come on. Yay! You finally got out, you fucking retarded dog.